Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki don do check on top the work when they go on for Ohonre, Benin Technical College and 19th Street roads plus other inner roads for Ugbowo area for Benin City. Obaseki for this inspection, they with Permanent Secretary Ministry of Roads and Bridges, Engineer Sikena Omoajo, and other top people for government and constitute talk with contractors on top the road matter. Governor Obaseki for him talk with Tori people say blessed with Amwela with the progress of work for the roads and constitute say the road go help improve the go-slow matter for Ugbowo area.
I'm quite pleased. In fact, a bit surprised. I didn't know that the work was that extensive. What we're planning to do is to ease traffic flow in Edo State, particularly in metropolitan Benin City. You see there's a lot of traffic that comes in from the Ugbowo axis. There's a lot of settlements around the Ugbowo axis. And because we don't have a circular road, the bypass is not complete. So we need to begin to create inner circular roads. So the 19th Street is one of those roads that will take traffic from Ugbowo on to Siloko and then on to Ekenwa Road. We're constructing the 19th Street, and I think we have two others that are currently being designed. You could see that work has progressed significantly since we inspected last about 5 weeks ago. And I'm assured that, before the rains come, they will have finished their stone base and they will start asphalting.
Omoaluke Achakaye, TMC TV News. Make una remember say your PVC and your power. No say I'm giving the politicians the election day.